Good morning, dear students. Welcome to St. Anne's High School, Barwala. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. In last video, we will learn chapter number 4, WordPad, that is home tab, clipboard group and font group. Today, in this video, we learn paragraph group, insert group, editing group, view tab, find and replace and creating list in WordPad. This is the video part 3. So let us start. First we will learn about paragraph group. Paragraph group contains option for editing paragraph, creating list, changing indents and other editing tools for paragraph. The paragraph group is very useful for text alignment and other paragraph and formatting. Paragraph group is very important in WordPad. A paragraph is a unit of text or other content that start at the beginning of a document. Immediately after a hard written, a page break, a section break or at the beginning of a table cell, header, footer or list of footnotes and ends with a hard written, or at the end of a table cell. Word document generally contain at the end of a table cell. Word documents generally contains paragraph with different formatting. Even a contain paragraph with different formatting option. Even a very simple document with a generated heading and a justified body contain paragraph with two different type of formatting. Word's graphical user interface provide ways to apply numerous formatting options to your paragraph. However, these options are not available in a single location, and some of these locations differ in different versions of WordPad. For this reason, this page is divided into the following sections and the applicable options are described in each section. Many options are available directly in the paragraph group on the home tab of the ribbon, in the paragraph group, on the page layout tab and on the contextual toolbar and menu that appear when you right click within the text. Now we will learn all the options of paragraph group in detail. See dear student, this is the image of paragraph group. First we will learn about increase and decrease indent. Increase indent is useful to increase left margin and decrease indent is useful to decrease the left margin. Now, by pressing the increase indent button on the toolbar, the indentation function is called. The distance is increased between the current paragraph and the left page margin. Each time you click the increase indent button and the left margin increases. In same way, the opposite of decreases indent. So, decrease indent to use to decrease the left margin. The next one is align text left. Here it is align text left. For left alignment, highlight the text and press Ctrl plus Shift plus L for center alignment. Highlight the text and press Ctrl plus Shift plus E for right alignment. And highlight the text and you press Ctrl plus Shift plus R. Highlight the text you want to align. So, align text left, align text right and center is useful to take our paragraph in left, right or in center side. Now we will see start a list. This option is used to start numbered or bulleted list. In the WordPad menu bar on the home tab, click the down arrow on the bullet list button, which look like 3 dots and 3 lines. See here, 3 dots and 3 lines. This is a start list for numbered and bulleted list. A window containing different list style options. Select the type of bulleted or numbered list you want to create. You can choose between a bullet, number, letter or Roman numeral. The next point is line spacing. Line spacing is very important in paragraph. See, this is the line spacing option. Line spacing is the distance between lines of text. Loose line spacing can make text much more readable, while tight line spacing can fit more text in a space. There is two types, loose and fit. To change the line spacing, select the lines you want to change, then go to the Home tab and find the line spacing button in the paragraph section, and you will choose what you want to space between two lines. So, the line spacing helps to change the spacing between lines. The next is paragraph. So, what is the use of paragraph? Opens paragraph dialog box. Paragraph control the amount of indentation added to or subtracted from a paragraph when using any of the indentation buttons. First line indent control the amount of indentation used for the first line of a paragraph, which uses the first line indent paragraph style. So paragraph is used for open paragraph dialog box. The next one is justify. Justify is used to align text on left and right margin. See dear student, here it is justify. To align text on left and right margin. Means same side, left and right also. When you justify text in Word, you give your text straight edges on both sides of the paragraph. Justifying extend each line on your text to the left and right margins. Justifying text might make the last line of text in a paragraph considerably shorter than the other lines. So dear students, we will revise again different options of paragraph group. Increase indent, decrease indent, align text right, center, start a list, line spacing, paragraph and justify. Now we will learn the next group is insert group. This is the image of insert group. The insert group is useful to insert picture, paint drawing, date and time and other objects. After clicking on the shortcut, the WordPad window should open and at the top of it you will see the ribbon based option under the Home tab. From here there is a group that is labeled insert, and these are the options that we'll be using in the first part of this tutorial. The insert group is useful to insert picture, paint drawing, date and time and other object. Clicking on paint drawing will open paint program within WordPad. See here, this is the paint drawing. You may prepare any drawing and then closing the paint window will insert the drawing in the WordPad file. So insert group is useful to insert pictures, drawing, date and time, etc. The next one is editing group. Editing group is useful for finding specific text from the file and replace with other text. See here, this is the editing group. It includes find, replace, select all, etc. So now we will learn what is the editing group. The editing group actually appears on the far right end of the Home tab. The editing group has three choices, two of which are drop down. Replace means Ctrl plus H opens the replace dialog box shown below. Button on the left leads more and instead of less. So this is the editing group. Editing group is useful for finding specific text from the file and replace with other text. It also used to select entire content of the file. Clicking on select all button will select the entire content of the file. You may also use shortcut key Ctrl plus A to select all the content of the file. Now we will learn next step. It is View tab. The View tab of WordPad tools to change the view of WordPad screen. See dear student, this is the View tab. It includes zoom in, zoom out, 100%. It includes ruler and status bar showed, word wrap and this measurement unit. Clicking or tapping the View tab gives you different options. You can make your text larger or smaller using the zoom group. See or hide the ruler. Appears on the top of a WordPad file, and status bar also you can see. The View tab of WordPad has tools to change the view of WordPad screen. It has 3 groups of icons like zoom, show or hide and setting. The next point we will see find and replace. Using find and replace facility, you can easily find particular text and replace it with other text. Now open the text file in WordPad. In the ribbon menu on the Home tab, click the Replace option in the Search and Replace window. Enter the text you want to find and the text you want to use as a replacement. So using find and replace facility, you can easily find particular text and replace it with other text. So I will tell you one example of find and replace. Now let us find all the India word and replace it with Hindustan. In one paragraph there is 5 words like India and word this replace with Hindustan. So click the replace button of editing group or press Ctrl H. You will get the replace dialog box as shown here. The type India in the find what box and Hindustan in the replace box. Select the match whole world only option so that WordPad will find word India only and will not find those words where India is a part of its spelling. Example Indian. Now click on replace all button. So you will observe that all the India words are replaced by Hindustan. The next and the last point is creating list in WordPad. Lists are very useful to group related information. There are 2 major types of list, namely numbered list and bulleted list. So there is 2 types of numbered list and bulleted list. Numbered list uses some serial number or alphabet in increasing order for each list item, and bulleted list use some symbol representing each list item. So it is very useful in group related information. In the WordPad menu bar on the Home tab, click down arrow on the bullet list button, which looks like 3 dots and 3 lines. A window containing different list style open. Select the type of bulleted or numbered list you want to create. You can choose between a bullet, number, letter or Roman numerals. So student, this is a very important for group related information. So dear student, I hope you all understood this chapter. Thank you my dear students.